How to verify your identity on TapTapSend. Now the basic way and what most people do is whenever you initiate a transfer inside of TapTapSend, it will automatically ask you to upload your ID, which is going to be the identity document as well as your proof of address. So before you start this process, make sure you have both of these documents, which may be your bank statements for proof of address and your passport for your identity document. So you can simply tap on the upload ID, which you should be able to find on the home page. If you don't see the notification that is being displayed, you'll need to head over to the hamburger menu and then head over to the account section inside of your profile. So through this process, you'll need to upload your documents as well as you'll need to take a selfie. Make sure that the pictures that you are uploading are of higher quality and make sure that all of the information are clearly visible. So once you upload these documents, your account should be verified within 5 to 10 minutes. So using this exact process, you can verify your identity inside of TapTapSend. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.